In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively adjust the zoom settings on your MT5 chart for optimal analysis. Whether you're focusing on fine details or trying to get a broader view of market trends, mastering chart zooming can significantly enhance your trading experience. So, let's dive right into the various methods you can use, starting with the toolbar at the top of MT5. As you look at the toolbar, you'll notice two essential icons that are critical for controlling your chart's view. These are the zoom in, represented by a magnifying glass with a plus sign, and the zoom out, with a magnifying glass featuring a minus sign. By clicking on the zoom in icon, your chart's candles or bars will enlarge, giving you a closer look at fewer time frames, but with more detail. Conversely, clicking on the zoom out icon will shrink the candles or bars, allowing you to see more time frames, which comes in handy for identifying broader trends. To make your chart navigation even more efficient, there's a quick tip. Feel free to toggle between these two icons as you conduct your analysis. This flexibility is instrumental in adjusting your perspective swiftly based on the current market movement. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, let's explore the use of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can be a real time saver, especially when you need to switch views quickly. You can zoom in by pressing the plus key on your keyboard and zoom out by pressing the tapos key. The good news is that these shortcuts work regardless of whether you're using the main keyboard or the numeric keypad. This method is particularly useful during fast-paced trading sessions when every second counts. Now, let's head over to our third method, which involves using the mouse scroll wheel. Start by positioning your cursor over the chart area. Hold the Control key on your keyboard and simultaneously scroll the mouse wheel. Scrolling the wheel upwards will zoom the chart in, giving you a closer view of specific market movements. Conversely, scrolling down will zoom the chart out, offering a wider view of the market's history. Each of these methods provides unique advantages and can be utilized based on your preference and the nature of your analysis. Whether you're a keyboard enthusiast, a toolbar fan, or prefer using the mouse, MT5 offers flexible options for modifying your chart view with ease. Experiment with these methods to see which combination best suits your trading style. That wraps up our guide on adjusting the zoom settings in MT5. Thank you for watching, and remember to practice these techniques to effortlessly tailor your chart view to your specific trading needs. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your trading experience.